Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates. Welcome to this platform where we give you history about different towns and cities in Yoruba land. Yoruba land was said to have been living in an advanced urban kingdom for more than 1,500 years. And this very tribe, Yoruba, was said to have major developed their economy through farming, trading, and art production. And you can testify to this by their artistic work. Talk of melter, talk of wood carving, sculpture, and so on and so forth. But today, I want to talk about the list of powerful Balogun in Yoruba land. My name is Homolola, and welcome once again to this platform. Now, to the topic of today, I want to give us the list of powerful Balogun in Yoruba land. And number one on my list is Balogun or Daring-law. Yes, Balogun Daring-law was said to have hailed from Ibadan. He is from Ibadan land and was said to have fought in Osogbo War. He was able to conquer those Fulani from Ilorin that was terrorizing the Yoruba land. He was said to have been a very vigilant and brave Balogun during his time. Number two on my list is Balogun Ajikobi, who hails from Ilorin. And he was said to have conquered Alaafin Oluewu and Oba Ibaruba, but later conquered in Osogbo War, and he was killed in public in Oyo, where it was said that he received over 1,000 bullets before he died. That was really very heroic. That is a very brilliant one there. That is from Balogun Ajikobi. Number three on the list is Balogun Ibikule, who was also said to hail from Ibadan land and who fought and conquer Kakafo Kurumi. Number four on the list is Balogun Akere. Balogun Akere was also said to have hailed from Ibadan and fought in Ijesha War, but he died. He died during the war. And number five on the list is Balogun Orowusi. He was also said to hail from Ibadan land, and he was the first man to fight and conquer Ijesha people. Number six on the list is Balogun Ogunbono. He was from Abeokuta, Egba precisely. He was said to have fought and conquered in Dahomey War. He was said to be a very brilliant man. Number seven on the list is Balogun Ayikodu. He was said to have fought many wars, and he was said to hail from Abeokuta. Number 8 on my list is Balogun Oshugboekun. He was also said to hail from Ibadan land, and he was said to have been a betrayer as he betrayed Latosha and take over war after Kakafo died in a war called Ekitiparako Kiriji. Number 9 on the list is Balogun Olashile. Balogun Olashile was said to be from Ijaye, and was said to have fought so many wars for his boss Kakafo Kurumi. Number 10 on the list is Balogun Singuse. Balogun Singuse was said to be from Ile-Ife, and he happens to be the leader of a war during Old Owu War, and he conquered Owu. Number 11 on my list is Balogun Ogundipe. He was said to hail from Abeokuta, and he fought so many wars for Egba race. And number 12, which is the last but not the least, Balogun Kuku. He was said to be from Ijebu, and he was said to have fought so many wars, including he was the first Balogun that was said to have fought the white men in a war that they call greatest of all time. Okay, this is where I will stop for today, and I hope you have gathered enough of powerful Balogun that we have in Yoruba land. Okay, that is that for now. That is a wrap. Before I go, I would like you to like, share, and give us a feedback from the comment section. You can tell us the next town or cities you would like to hear their story. So you can send it to us, and while we share it with you here on this platform. See ya next time. Bye.